This is a Pink Bank sign-up bonus review. Have you used Pink Bank sign-up bonus before? Leave your review in the comments section below. So here's the deal. You've probably seen the ads or gotten a flyer in the mail. Earn up to $400 when you open a new PNC Virtual Wallet account. Sounds like easy money, right? And honestly, for a lot of people, it kind of is. The bonus structure is pretty straightforward. You open one of their virtual wallet accounts, set up direct deposit, and depending on how much you deposit, you get either $100, $200, or $400. The top-tier $400 bonus requires $5,000 in direct deposits within 60 days. That's not nothing, but it's doable for many. People who've done it say the bonus hits your account within 60 to 90 days. No hoops, no drama. Just make sure you follow the instructions exactly. Some folks even use the bonus as seed money for an investment account or emergency fund. It's a nice little perk if you're already planning to switch banks. Now, the virtual wallet itself is a combo of checking and savings with some budgeting tools built in. You get 3 sub-accounts: spend, reserve, and growth. It's designed to help you manage your money better. The app is solid. Mobile check deposit, Zelle, bill pay, it's all there. And the ATM network is huge. Over 60,000 fee-free machines. That's a win. But here's where things get sticky: the monthly fees. The basic account has a $7 fee unless you keep $500 in direct deposits or maintain a $500 balance. The higher tier accounts have fees up to $25 unless you meet even steeper requirements. And if you don't live in a qualifying ZIP code, you might not even be eligible for the bonus. That's a bummer. Customer service? Mixed bag. Some users rave about friendly branch staff. Others say they got the runaround when trying to resolve issues. One person had their account access revoked after linking it to a brokerage account and couldn't get a straight answer from support. Another said they were charged fees without warning and had to fight to get them refunded. So yeah, not exactly a flawless experience. Also, if you've had a PNC account in the past 90 days or received a bonus in the last 2 years, you're out of luck. No bonus for you. And don't expect interest to blow your mind. The APY on most accounts is low unless you're in a high-yield savings region. Bottom line, if you're eligible and can meet the deposit requirements, the bonus is real and worth grabbing. Just be ready to babysit your account to avoid fees. And don't expect miracles from customer service. It's a decent promo, but not without its quirks.